Right folks, this is the little jig I built for my belt sander so I can fix it in a horizontal position or a vertical position. I put these legs on it to make it more stable, so I just knocked it out with some scraps of wood, and to lock it in place I've got a length of threaded bar. I glued a knob on the end and there's an insert in the base, and when I screw that in there this thing doesn't go anywhere. And that's now solid. So obviously I can use it in the horizontal position like so, or the vertical position. Now because I'm really stuck for storage in this garage, again with a few scraps of wood, I mean you can do whatever design you like, I knocked that up there so I can put a piece on the table for sanding. I'll just demonstrate that for you now. There you go, all seems to work okay, and didn't cost me a penny really. I just had a few scraps of wood and ply hanging around and job done. And the idea is that I can hang this then on the wall so it's out the way.